Ever stumbled upon facts so mind-blowing they make you question reality itself? Buckle up, because today we're plunging into the fascinating realm of modeling to reveal 13 jaw-dropping truths that will shatter your preconceptions. Welcome back to Things You Don't Know, your go-to source for the extraordinary and the unexpected. Ready to have your mind blown? Let's dive in. Fact 1. Models' lives aren't always glamorous. Fact number 1. Models' lives aren't always as glamorous as they seem. Sure, they get to wear beautiful garments and attend after-parties, but did you know they often have to slip into couture in public restrooms or pose in swimsuits in freezing temperatures? Talk about dedication. Fact 2. They aren't always paid for shoots. Fact number 2. Not all models rake in the big bucks. Many new models work for free to build their portfolios, sometimes getting paid in clothes or just photos. It's a tough climb to the top. Fact 3. They deal with dandruff too. Fact number 3. Even supermodels deal with dandruff. With all the hair products and heat styling, their scalps take a beating. More than half of models admit to feeling self-conscious about scalp issues. So, next time you see those glossy locks, remember they're just like us. Fact 4. They love a budget beauty buy. Fact number 4. Models love budget beauty buys. 3 out of 5 models rely more on drugstore products than high-end brands. Brands like Head & Shoulders, BioOil, and Clearasil are their go-tos. Who knew you could get a model-worthy routine on a budget? Fact 5. They worry about spots, cellulite, and stretch marks. Fact number 5. Models worry about spots, cellulite, and stretch marks just like the rest of us. More than half of them fret over these common issues. It's a reminder that everyone has flaws, and that's perfectly okay. Fact 6. They aren't at photo shoots every day. Fact number 6. Models aren't at photo shoots every day. In the early stages of their careers, they spend a lot of time at castings, waiting for callbacks and facing rejection. It's not all glitz and glamour. Fact 7. They can be any age. Fact number 7. Models can start their careers at any age. Whether you're a teenager or in your 40s, there's a niche for everyone in the modeling world. So it's never too late to chase your dreams. Fact 8. They don't work 9 to 5. Fact number 8. Models don't work 9 to 5. Their schedules can be all over the place, with 3 a.m. call times and 12-hour workdays. It's a demanding job that requires a lot of flexibility and stamina. Fact 9. They are experts in the art of packing. Fact number 9. Models are packing pros. With all the travel for shoots and shows, they've mastered the art of packing efficiently. If you need tips for packing light, just ask a model. Fact 10. Controversial moments on America's Next Top Model. Fact number 10. America's Next Top Model has had its share of controversies. From asking models to wear makeup that changes their ethnicity to other questionable practices, the show has sparked a lot of debates over the years. Fact 11. The catwalk isn't all glitz and glamour. Fact number 11. The catwalk isn't all glitz and glamour. Behind those dazzling runway shows, models face immense pressure, strict diets, and grueling workout routines. It's a high-stress environment where only the toughest thrive. Fact 12. They have to be more than just a pretty face. Fact number 12. Models have to be more than just a pretty face. They need to be versatile, adaptable, and able to convey different emotions and stories through their expressions and poses. It's a skill that takes years to perfect. Fact 13. The reality of rejection. Fact number 13. The reality of rejection is a constant in a model's life. For every job they land, there are countless rejections. It's a tough industry that requires thick skin and relentless perseverance. So there you have it, 13 mind-blowing facts about the world of modeling that you probably didn't know. From the unglamorous realities behind the scenes to the incredible dedication and resilience required, it's clear that modeling is so much more than just looking good in front of a camera. Feeling amazed? Shocked? Maybe even a little inspired? We want to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let us know which facts surprised you the most. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Things You Don't Know for more incredible content that challenges what you think you know.